Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down the biggest tech news in a way that actually makes sense. Today, AI isn't just living inside your phone or laptop anymore. It's moving into robots, factory equipment, and autonomous machines, and the rules for keeping it safe are struggling to keep up. I'm Emily, your a software bug is one thing, a robot bug is another person.
And I'm Lucas, tech enthusiast and someone who finds robots genuinely exciting. What could possibly go wrong with an AI that can physically move things?
So much, Lucas, so much. This is called physical AI, and it's growing fast. Over 542,000 industrial robots were installed worldwide in 2024, more than double the number from a decade ago. By 2028, that figure is expected to pass 700,000, and the global physical AI market, currently worth $81 billion, is projected to hit nearly $1 trillion by 2033.
And Google DeepMind is right at the center of this. They've built AI models specifically designed to control robots using natural language instructions. Tell the robot to fold paper, pack a bag, or handle objects it's never seen before, and it figures it out. It can even detect whether a task was completed correctly and decide to retry if needed.
Which sounds impressive until you realize that, unlike a software bug that crashes an app, a physical AI mistake could mean a robot arm swinging the wrong way near a human worker. The stakes are completely different when AI decisions become real-world physical actions.
And that's exactly the governance gap right now. A recent McKinsey study found only about 1/3 of organizations have mature governance in place for agentic AI, and that's for software agents. Physical AI adds a whole new layer: collision avoidance, force limits, emergency stops, and deciding whether an action is even safe to attempt.
Google DeepMind is actually building safety datasets specifically to test whether robots understand safety instructions and can refuse unsafe commands. They're working with Boston Dynamics, Agility Robotics, and other robotics companies to test these systems in real environments. The right direction, but there's a long way to go.
And the core question is simple. Who decides what an autonomous robot is allowed to do? And what happens when it gets it wrong in a warehouse full of people?
Exactly. The technology is ready to move fast. The governance frameworks need to move just as fast. Yeah, that's all for today's Pente Spotlight.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay curious. The robots are coming, and making sure they're safe is just as important as making them smart. Thanks so much for listening. See you on the next Spotlight.